this makeup look. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, I'm using this Fair and Lovely Fairness Cream as a primer. Now take a little bit amount of that cream and apply evenly on face and neck. Now I apply this compact powder from Maybelline. Now I apply eyeshadow on my eyes. Now I take this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline Nudes palette. I select light brown color on this palette and now apply on my eyelids. Now I apply this coral color on this palette on my eyelids. Okay, now I apply this kajal from Itex on my eyes. Now I apply this mascara from Blue Heaven for my upper lashes and lower lashes. Now I fill my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. This is from Lakme. Now I take lip liner. This is from Maybelline lip liner. First I apply lip liner on my lips. Then I apply lipstick. This pink color lipstick. This is from LA 18 lipstick. So now I apply this contour and highlighter from Maybelline. This is contour dark color. Now I give cuts on my face with this contour. Now I apply this highlighter on my face. Wherever you want to highlight your face, apply on that areas like so. I apply my middle of the eyes and cubic bone, cheeks, chin area. Now apply evenly, spread evenly on your highlight and contour like so. Next I put a bindi on my brows middle like so, and I put a little pearl bindi below the black bindi. So this is my makeup look, SRAVANASUKRAVARAM makeup look. So this is Friday special makeup look. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. Bye, take care.